Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create professional Fiverr account. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and type on the search at bottom right corner, Fiverr, right? And you're going to download the Fiverr and make sure that you update it if you have downloaded the app. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to my browser. And if you want to go ahead and create professional Fiverr account, first, click on join Fiverr Pro, and you'll be asked to continue with Google or with another email domain, and you will be prompted to fill out your first name, last name, choose a username, password, and then click on create my Fiverr Pro account, and then you'll be prompted to answer a few questions about your business, and then click done. In migrating to a Fiverr Pro or admin, if you have already a Fiverr account and you wish to convert your account to Fiverr Pro, just on the Fiverr Pro landing page, create your Pro account or join Fiverr Pro, and then you'll be prompted to continue with the same email address. Click on continue. Next window is to answer a few questions about your business, and then click done, and your account will be converted and you can enjoy the benefits of a Fiverr Pro. You can invite members to your account by clicking your profile picture, administration, account members, and then invite members. Now turn on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.